Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a vignette very quickly on any video in Adobe Premiere. Kick things off by selecting the video on your timeline that you'd like to add a vignette to. Now head up to your effects panel. Your effects panel will open on your right. Select Lumetri Color from the list of tabs. Alternatively, you can select the window menu and tick Lumetri Color, and this will open only the Lumetri Color panel by itself. Now click the option for Vignette found at the bottom of the Lumetri Color panel. Here you can make a very quick vignette using the adjustment bars shown. Sliding the amount control to the left will make a dark vignette, while sliding to the right will give you a white vignette. Sliding the midpoint control left or right simply moves the vignette's ring inward or outward. Now moving the roundness control left will align the vignette with the rectangular shape of the video frame, while sliding it right will generate a circular vignette. Lastly, sliding the feather control left or right will feather the edge of your vignette to soften the blend with your video. One other helpful tip, if you double click any of the bars, it will reset it to its defaults. Now let's say you want to copy your vignette settings to every other video on your timeline. Simply right-click your video with the desired vignette settings. Click Copy, then either hold Shift and click every other video, or you can also drag select. Right-click any video and click Paste Attributes. A window will pop up. In this case, we only want to paste the Lumetri Color vignette effect. So we'll deselect everything but Lumetri Color and click OK. Now all videos will have the exact same vignette settings as shown. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.